What's going on?
I
I can't, 'cause that's the bad guy's house. That's where you go if you are a bad child.
I'm not.
What?
I'm not a
You're not a bad child. You sure?
See, there's
What?
pets in there.
There's pets in there?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
See, it's the doggy's house. It's the doggy.
Maybe if you lay on that bench over there and stretch, maybe you can open it.
But you have to get those big things for me and put on my hand.
And then what do you do? What do you do once you get them?
What?
What do you do once you get them?
What?
What do you do once you get them?
We just do that. Just do that.
Do what?
Like,
Show me.
down.
No, you gotta stay up here.
What?
Gotta stay up here.
Why?
Because we're helping Daddy.
Oh, come on. I see a golf ball. It's my golf ball.
You see a golf ball? Come on, I see a golf ball, man.
My golf ball. See?
Yeah.
See that white thing? That's my golf ball. Do I get for me? You have your shoes on, so do you want to get for me?
Don't want to get it for you? I'll get it for you.
See that white thing? That's mine. That white thing's mine. See it? Thank you. It's a dirty one, but it's mine. Thank you. Oh no! That's gross! No! I don't want to take it.
You said you wanted it.
No, that's... No! No!
I just want to give you your golf ball.